It's almost 2025. I'm gonna be leaving in 2 days for Christmas and I won't be back until the new year. And I cannot leave having my car and my apartment and my life just so messy. So we're gonna be doing a whole reset of everything. As much as I don't want to do any of this, I just know that New Year me is gonna be so thankful. I think I'm gonna start with a thing that I have been avoiding the most, and that is cleaning my car. Let's go do that. Can I just get like the cheapest? Called me ma'am. I hate going through car washes. They stress me out. I just spilled my hot chocolate all over my car. That was really dumb. Something I always do before I leave for a vacation is I always change my bed sheets. That way I always come back to a nice, freshly washed, clean, not slept in bed. Changing the sheets is not that bad, but the duvet cover, man, I hate changing my duvet cover. But we're gonna change the duvet cover real quick, and then I'll probably switch out my sheets tomorrow. It's like many hours later. It's already 6:30 at night. I was gone from 10 a.m. and I didn't get home till after 5. I need to bake 3 different types of cookies because I decided very last minute that I wanted to do a cookie box as a gift because I don't have a lot of money right now, especially not for gifts. And then I saw my friend doing a cookie box and I was like, oh my god, that's genius, I'm gonna copy her, except I'm doing it so last minute. So we have 3 different types of cookies to bake tonight. I have to work at 6 a.m. and I have to clean my apartment and still pack and get the cats ready. I'm a little stressed. before I go to bed. It's currently 10:30 p.m. First thing I got them is a okay. Munchie. The first thing I got them was this little ball smart toy. Oh. Well, I guess they can. What I think they're gonna like even more is this thing. It's one of those like cat fuzzy tunnels. Whoa, this is huge. If I was a cat, I would lay in this. Oh my gosh, we have a winner.